When are you gonna get a bike?
Next month.
Okay.
The green one.
You bastard. All in the run and gun setup tonight.
Will you prevent forest fires?
Stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to move.
This time the elevator at Gerald Road West.
That's what I was looking for.
What's up?
Mick?
Right? Yep. Nice to see you.
Tell us about your bike.
Fixed gear. It's fast. It's a Cordoba.
How come they don't make these no more, right?
Yeah.
The Cordoba.
They make e-bikes now. Their e-bike frame is cool. I don't know how well it. His ears get pretty dang close to the brakes. A little on the big side. So I'm thinking about now turning him into like a.
What are you riding?
Duro bike today, man.
He's always around. A road bike?
Yeah.
You might be a little bit.
What are you staring at?
All the bikes.
Whose dope bike is that? Is that yours?
That's
That's next. That dope bike is Tom's.
fresh out of the shop.
That's the same frame that's the same color, right?
Working. Can't you see I'm working?
That's what they're doing. Where's your bike?
Way the fuck over there.
Fuck it.
We'll have to get it in a minute.
What you got in your backpack? Let's.
I got some Gatorades. I didn't bring any goodies this time.
Scene over here is growing. We got Jack. Look at all these people.
Being recorded.
Do you want a waiver? You want to sign a waiver?
I think you're. I don't know. I don't think you're gonna do anything rude with it.
David Gravel. Wave to the people in back. Going the wrong way. Fire. Oh, thirsty beaver.
Rolling, rolling, rolling!
Thank you, good people of Charlotte. This 25-year-old suspension still works, so look.
I tried to lock mine out, but I could.
Yeah, this. Checking up. Not checking up.
Rolling!
We've encountered this unique species of cyclists.
Oh! Not again.
Oh!
Oh,
look at that one. Hit that one.
That's a hole.
Oh, that breeze feels so good. Look at that, he's on the ledge right there. That's what that's solid. That could have been you, Mick. Leads you around and you're like, ah, doesn't even really matter.
Chris is pretty good too at the leading the rides.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing hotter than this beach, y'all. It's like a magnet. I don't really listen to me because they be plastic. That's it. Enjoy it. I got my team. We ain't going nowhere, so we locked again.
Come on, man, just pedal it once. Let the e-bike once, dude.
Oh, this guy.
Good thing I got that on video. Go get him, Jackson. Got it.
Look, it's for the BBC.
Citizen journalist, man. It's BBC. I mean, it's not. I got them crashing, so if you want to see that, it looks more like a mechanical thing at this point. Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Amy, you okay?
Try to cork and I cut her off. Good now?
Alright, who has the lighter? I also got some weed if anyone has a...
Times before.
Single file.
Quack, quack, quack.
You right?
Yeah. I mean, as long as they complete it all.
Hard, I know.
Oh, look at those features, Zach. Look at those features. You should be.
There's a mountain bike show right up here.
I said Sam's the leader of the ride.
Pretty hot.
You got that iron lug, I'm sure.
Woo! What are you weirdos doing over here? Oh, don't. You don't want none of this, Ricky Bobby.
We're worshiping.
Oh, cool. We're giving. Are we doing Krishna today? Sacraments. We're giving sacraments. Tell you. For me, is the trophy to stop and live.
What ratio are you running, bro? 49-13.
38, 16, 39.
That's not a 38.
Whatever, something 16.
You don't even know your ratio, man.
It's 3 to 1.
What
It's
kind
3
of
to
fucking
1.
Fixie bro
16 to 2 is 34.
Come
So
on.
48, 16. 48, 16.
Yeah, you're one of the few dudes that can ride that thing, though.
Yeah, it's 48, 16. 3 to 1.
This homeboy is the polo dude. Like
Okay,
Bike polo, right?
Yeah.
This is
Mike.
sick.
Yeah,
Mick,
yeah.
nice to meet you, man.
Mick?
Yeah.
Mike. That's
It
it.
makes it easy.
I can remember that. What up, Luke? Dude, I got a kid over here. This little bitch. I brought him out to polo one time.
Was he good?
He's good, dude. I was like, come back. He hasn't come back.
Where do you go play at?
Sugar Creek.
Okay.
On the disc golf course, there's those tennis courses like 6 in a row.
Right.
We play on the last 2.
Nice.
Sundays. Find us out there after 420.
Can I bring my own mallet?
Oh, I got the ride.
I feel like bike polo and... I'll take the mustard.
How many times have people told you you look like
It's easier. Squeeze
Brett
it
Favre?
right in and just
Brett Favre. Probably 10 or 11 times.
All right. I knew I wasn't fucking crazy.
I was at a car show here in Charlotte, like that one that's at the convention center, and I was sitting like in a Cadillac or something. And this dude walked past, turned around and came back, and he looked back and he's like, "Shit, man, I thought you were Brett Favre." I'm like,
no, and you're a big dude.
Cool, man. I like that.
Pass to who?
Another football player.
It's good. Brett Favre.
Oh, to himself.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use refreshing yourself. It's something special.
This thing's awesome.
On your foot?
I want to.
I guess. Imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just
wanna make sure you don't-
Make sure you make it there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sugar. Turning into like one of those lizards. There's like that guy. My mating ritual. Sorry, man.
You good? That sugar will help you out. It'll bring you back.
Get back on the road, but thanks for taking one.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, drop the bass, Holmes.
Drivers around their phone.
It's always hard.
Talk to the cameraman. Hey. Oh, we got a jumper.
I've been lurking in the back.
Jackson always finds trouble.
Tonight, so it's easy to blend in.
You got any crashes on camera?
The first one. The one where Amy pulled up.
You got the one of Amy?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to show her that at the bar.
I'm gonna show it to everybody.
Did you get the guy passing out or not?
No, I didn't get him actually passing out, but get some of that authentic camera shake, man.
Gotta get it.
Oh, wait, what am I looking at?
We see you, bro. Ah, dude, this is good golden hour shit coming right here. Just...
This is what the world looks like.
That's what I look like. It's great. You're the person.
Fucking bullshit. You cannot see.
Hello.
I mean, tubeless doesn't fix everything.
Defense contracts, not what they used to be.
All right, bike check. A lot of bikes.
What's in the wrapper?
Here, get you this.
Grave digger and give me my whip. Give me my
I
steed.
just hit your shifter.
Oh no.
This one.
Just like that, all the customers were gone. Ah. My problem is, do you have lights on your bike? You're making it now. Oh, it blew up a heart. I saw it. They got a discount on the Valentine's fireworks. I'm gonna zoom in on his zoom. Huh? He said. Oh, I got Boca. I got it, Boca. Look at it. That's one of the reasons I put this camera on here. Analog style. Because I have a live stream rig that would mount underneath here. It'd be cool to live stream a whole fucking
Finally, I don't have to ride home. Go! Everybody across, come on! Left at Brevard!